Welcome to the Plant Farm It YouTube channel. Let's prepare an easy, quick and tasty one-pot vegetable pasta with fresh, available and healthy ingredients in less than 30 minutes. Select the pasta of your choice. Today I'm using macaroni. For the main ingredients, use any type of veggies you prefer or available in your pantry. I'm using an onion, celery, spring onions, garlic, sweet red pepper, eggplant and tomatoes. For the sauce, you will need 1 jar of tomato puree or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and some salt. If you like to spice the dish up, add sriracha for the extra kick. In addition to black pepper, red pepper flakes and turmeric. For cooking, I'm using sunflower oil, although any plant-based oil will do. For an extra flavor, add mozzarella cheese and parsley as the finishing touches. Please watch the video until the end to find out about preparation, cooking and serving. Begin with slicing and chopping an onion. Add sunflower oil and place it in a pot to saute until it gets softened. Sprinkle a teaspoon of salt. This will help the onion cook faster. Next, thinly chop 1 celery stalk. Also, dice a bunch of spring onions. Followed by thinly chopped 2 to 4 cloves of garlic and place all ingredients together in a medium-low temperature and mix well. Partially remove the eggplant skin, cut it in circles and add it in a pot too. Slice and chop a red pepper and 2 tomatoes and place it also to cook in a pot. Afterwards, add the spices: salt, red chili flakes, black pepper, and turmeric, according to your taste. Once the vegetables are sauteed, it's time to add a jar of tomato puree or sauce and a little bit of sriracha for a chill flavor. Let the tomatoes cook with vegetables over a medium-light temperature for a while, and after add the pasta in a pot. Add boiled water or vegetable stock, mix it well and let it simmer. Sauté vegetables, add tomatoes puree and bring it to boil. Add pasta, mix well and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes in total over medium-light temperature. Once the pasta is al dente cooked and tomato sauce thickened, the meal is ready for serving. One pot vegetable pasta is best served hot. Add few leaves of parsley for the fresh taste and plate decoration. Also, place shredded mozzarella cheese on top of vegetable pasta for yummy and chewy taste. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm It is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.